The future of Apple smartphones has arrived, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a bold step forward. This isn't just another incremental bump. This device is reimagining what a flagship iPhone looks like and how it performs. Technology Review explores everything you need to know, from newly leaked features to big hardware shifts and next-gen software innovations. The iPhone 17 Pro Max introduces a new dual-tone aluminum titanium frame that significantly reduces weight while increasing overall durability. Apple is abandoning stainless steel in favor of this sleeker, more resistant design. Not only does the new frame feel more premium, but it also makes extended usage more comfortable. Then there's the redesigned rear camera module, no longer the familiar square. Apple is opting for a sleek horizontal layout that delivers both aesthetic appeal and functional balance. It aligns the lenses in a way that feels more intuitive and symmetrical, giving the phone a futuristic edge. Under the hood, the iPhone 17 Pro Max packs in the beastly A19 Pro chip, built on an advanced 3nm process. This processor is not just faster, it's smarter and more power efficient. It manages to improve multitasking, boost AI integration, and enhance thermals so well that even intense 4K editing or high-end gaming won't overheat your phone. Pair that with 12 gigabytes of RAM. Yes, a bump from last year's 8 gigabytes. And you've got a device that's clearly aimed at creators and professionals. This isn't just about power. It's about making sure everything you do feels smooth, immediate, and responsive. Camera improvements are massive this year. Apple is going all in on computational photography and optics. You'll find a sharper 48MP telephoto lens with even better zoom performance and clarity in low-light environments. The front camera is getting its most significant update yet. Now a 24MP sensor designed for both professional selfies and next-gen video calls. And for video creators, you now get full-blown 8K video recording at 60 frames per second. True cinema-grade performance from a device that fits in your pocket. And of course, the dynamic island isn't going anywhere, but it's evolving. It's slimmer and more discreet, blending more naturally into the display. The reduced footprint offers more screen space while keeping all its dynamic functionality intact. This isn't a gimmick. It's Apple perfecting the experience. Let's talk about software. iOS 19 is shaping up to be Apple's most transformative update since iOS 7. Inspired by Vision OS, the redesign introduces floating tab bars, translucent menus, and bottom-place search bars to streamline one-handed usability. This isn't just a facelift, it's an ergonomics-first evolution. Every element is being optimized for larger displays and smarter interaction. Siri gets a complete overhaul thanks to Apple Intelligence. The digital assistant will finally become context-aware. It will learn from your behavior, messages, emails, and screen activity to provide relevant suggestions and proactive support. You'll no longer need to spell out what you want. Siri will already be a step ahead. But the real game changer might be the new AI-powered battery management system. Set to debut with iOS 19. This system uses machine learning to analyze your usage habits and automatically tweak power consumption throughout the day. Apple is calling it battery intelligence, and it's more than just a name. This feature predicts when to throttle app performance or delay background tasks in order to conserve energy, especially useful in thinner phones like the upcoming iPhone 17 Air. Apple is aiming to maintain full-day battery life despite pushing for slimmer and lighter designs. If it works as promised, it's going to completely redefine expectations around phone endurance. Connectivity also sees a boost. Apple is now building its own chips for Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and 5G. This move gives them more control over power efficiency and integration. No more relying on third-party suppliers like Qualcomm. These chips are built specifically for iPhones and optimized for performance. The iPhone 17 Pro Max also comes with a larger battery compared to its predecessor, and when combined with the AI enhancements, you're looking at serious longevity. Whether you're watching content, editing on the go, or juggling between apps, this iPhone is ready for it all. What really stands out is the clear intention behind every upgrade. Nothing feels like filler. Every component, every line of code, every design decision has a purpose. Apple is aiming to deliver a phone that adapts to you, not the other way around. It's no longer just about processing power or megapixels. It's about intelligence, ease, and durability wrapped into one premium device. The iPhone 17 Pro Max isn't for everyone. It's for those who want the very best and expect their phone to keep up with their lifestyle, whether that's creating, multitasking, or just enjoying their device with zero compromise. As for release timing, Apple will officially unveil the iPhone 17 Pro Max alongside iOS 19 at WWDC 2025. Developer betas will follow the keynote, with public betas in July and full release in September. But make no mistake, this isn't just another fall launch. It's the beginning of Apple's next decade in mobile. The lines between software and hardware, performance and intelligence, are being blurred, and the iPhone 17 Pro Max is leading the charge. Whether you care about having the most polished phone ever, or simply want the kind of power that lets you create without friction, this device checks every box. It's lighter, smarter, faster, more beautiful, and finally different. Welcome to the new age of Apple. Welcome to the iPhone 17 Pro Max.